This is me and my partner Lukman. Well, to talk about what happened, we'll have to rewind back to the morning.
Take me out, I wanna see.
Yeah, because
In case you don't know, Skills Ontario is the largest skills and trade competition in Ontario, and people come from all across the province just to compete. So this is a big day for me and Lukman as we represent our school and school board. We talked a lot about our strategies and mental state on the way until we arrive at the center at 6:30 a.m, which is way too early and we're not allowed to actually enter our room yet. So we toured a luxurious building for a while and chilled in Tim Hortons for the rest of the morning. And his dad kindly bought us donuts and breakfast sandwich. Simple, but it always works. Finally, we headed in and got assigned Team 7, and we set up everything, and I gotta say the MacBook Pro they gave us was actually very high spec.
Why they have everything here? Lukman.
we would just use After Effects.
We had a 1-hour briefing session of scope about all the rules and regulations, and also the theme of the video we're gonna create. They want us to make a video showing how good this whole competition is and the story of Skills Ontario. Or in basic words, they want someone to create a free promo video that they can put on their website for this event.
Hello. This is our storyline. Lukman, can you explain yourself?
No, I
Explain your thought process.
write as much as possible. Not too long. Not there.
It's not too long.
You should have to work on this.
Yeah, I'm gonna write these stuff. And I'm gonna write like thought jokes.
No, I'm a healthy.
Bro. We don't have much time, so we gotta rush to the main venue. And
We were the last few teams to leave the room, so we figured we better hurry our ass up. When I was shooting, the gimbal really came in clutch to capture all these smooth panning and pushing shots. We visited all the categories of skill trades that are actually happening, including car mechanics, robotics, culinary, beauty and cosmetics, green energy, and of course, TV and film production. We didn't have a clear storyboard written out, but I have a rough idea in my mind, which left us a lot of creative freedom. But at the same time, we started facing a lot of issues and problems which could potentially disqualify us.
This is Lukman Badi writing scripts, meanwhile I shoot stuff. This is what you call teamwork, guys. Teamwork. So honestly, I don't know if this thing is going well. Like, the judges are not really happy whenever we ask questions. And if you're wondering why I'm in the toilet, because we're gonna film voiceovers, record voiceovers for our intro in the toilet, because this is the only quiet space. So yeah, I don't know. Fingers crossed.
The most annoying rule was that we're not allowed to talk to other competitors, even if they're in other categories. Which I get it, they want to avoid cheating, but this meant we're not allowed to interview students for their opinions except for adults. In addition, we can't communicate with anybody to let them act in a certain way for a shot we want to take. This made the whole challenge a lot harder because it didn't really fit our storyline because none of the shots are unique in a way. And things even got worse when I finished shooting and started editing. Although this time we left 2 hours to edit so we can fine tune every single details. But while I was editing, I found there were a lot of empty spaces that don't have any content but just pure montages of other people, which all in all caused it to lack the rhythm of the video. There was also a part of the video that just didn't have anything in there, and our goal is to end off the video strong. So luckily we got the amazing Lukman who came up with the idea of a time lapse of the venue. So we went out again and captured this shot and it turned out amazing. But still, our emotion was like a roller coaster that day.
We'll be exporting 12 minutes, now we have to grind 50 shots. Does this make sense? Okay.
One of the coordinators told us that we have to draw each individual clip we shot onto the storyboard, which was a big deal for us because we had 50 shots in total. And this made us extremely anxious as we thought we might lose a significant part of our marks due to the incomplete storyboard. All in all, at 12:13, it's a hard stop for everyone. And after a while, the textures started playing everyone's video. And when our video got played, I mean, just look at other competitors' face.
Thousands of students have
3 years, it's been a long time since Ontario Skills have been in person. And this year, it's been great. Everybody, thousands of students have the opportunity to express themselves. There's something for everyone, including you.
I would say it's impacted me as a female, given a lot of females an advantage to be in trades where we didn't have a chance to be in trades before. It's a great learning experience for females. I encourage more females to join into trades.
Big reason I'm here is to recruit young people who would find this interesting, and there's a future in it. It's a very big future and a very big demand. So for me, that's very important today.
Coming here and doing this competition, work with all these competitors every year, helps you reignite your passion. You have your passion from yourself by wanting to move forward in your career, but sometimes you lose sight of that through your career by monetary reasons and such. So when you do events like this with competitors and students, it reignites that passion.
At 1:30, they kicked all of us out so they can judge our videos.
We're back in Tim Hortons again. Smile cookie.
For Sunny.
No, wait. I think. Yeah, let's just wait here. Yeah. So just watch everyone's videos.
We did not too bad actually.
Yeah, like comparing to everyone,
We could be top 3 and then we get a medal. Imagine we get a medal.
think higher. Think higher first.
We could. A medal is thinking pretty hard.
Yeah, man. It's complicated. Guys. It's complicated. Hopefully, because like my expectation is to get a goal.
Get gold?
Like I cannot imagine myself seeing other people's videos on the actual website. Like ours is actually like a production company.
Imagine if we get gold though. How happy do you think the school would be? Miss Hendricks would be like, those are my students. Imagine promoting all the time.
Yeah, mark my words in this video. Mark my words. But like if we lost, that'd be very embarrassing.
Come on, son, you gotta eat a small cookie.
I don't eat sweets. Look, man, why did you slap this? Look, man.
Sonny.
No, the smile is broken. No comments.
Sonny, come on, you gotta eat this.
I guess we all accepted the idea that if we can't change anything, then just stop thinking about it.
Bro,
Oh, that is really sweet.
bro, this is Tim Hortons. Welcome to Canada, guys. Everything's sweet. No. Good citizen.
We still had another 2 hours to spare until we need to get back for the award ceremony. So we enjoyed ourselves there by exploring this whole event, and it was really eye-opening to see everything that's happening.
My uncle was a pilot, my dad was a pilot.
Yeah. the pilot family. Putting this into the road to Ontario Skills Office.
What's that?
Like a new YouTube video.
No. Please don't.
Yo, that's my dinner.
Bring it up, Sonny.
However, all happiness has an end, so at 4 o'clock, everyone gathered back in the room for the award ceremony.
Like, remember what your dad said.
What?
Like, you know you're the best. If you lost, then it's their reason. It's their fault. You just keep still.
When did my dad ever say that?
Like in the morning. Like
didn't say that.
you're still the best, anyways.
You never said that though.
This morning, bro, I
You
take.
didn't say that.
It's a wise man's word.
I don't think you said that.
This is what we all came here for. I feel like everything I've done in my filmmaking career are all just stepping stones for this, and it will continue to be.
To overthink something that we're not in control of. Just focus on what you can control of. Just, it's fine, man. If you win or if you don't win, like.
I know you're not talking. Maybe you should be better with.
Like I'm open, like my. Yeah. Anyways.
So we will start with the bronze medal team. You're very welcome. Your silver medal from Halton Catholic District School Board. Congratulations. Here you go. And here you go. And don't forget, for you teachers. Thanks so much. And the last gold medal, also from Halton District School Board.
But in this exact moment, all of the struggles and challenges flashed in front of my eyes. Countless hours of YouTube tutorials finally paid off, and I feel like my skills finally got an official approval. So I want you to take this video as a sign to start chasing your passion, because you never know what amazing things might happen to you.
How do you feel right now?
It's not bad.
Describe your feeling. No, genuinely. Make this like a very step harder at the end of the video. Inspirational.
It's a
Say
nice
something
feeling.
that's like you would expect the people we interviewed would say.
Put in the effort and you get the results.
Yeah.
We got gold.